A few years ago, Gus and I made a short video on my approach to hand quilting, which is quite original and certainly very speedy. For some reason, it's been lost on the internet, and so many of you have contacted me to ask if I could do another quick demonstration that I thought before finishing the quilting of this quilt, Floral Impressions, we'd make another tape. Here in Canada, I use Gutermann hand quilting thread, although my favorite is YLI, if I can find the appropriate color. I always tend to go with the same color as the background. I also wear very cheap thimbles, but as you can see, I've worn them through to death, and I have one on each finger, the right and the left hand. When I quilt, the difference I think between the way most people quilt is I am using my bottom finger to push the thimble, to push the needle back. Sorry, I'll just get this in a good starting point. So if you listen carefully, you can probably hear it. I'm echo quilting and I tend to eyeball it. Actually, this isn't going quite as fast, but it is a very speedy way of doing it by pushing the needle back in this way. Okay, I'll just finish to the end of this curve so you can really get a good idea of what I mean. If you're quilting my work, I've gone through a tendril, but on the whole, I tend to sort of